Ants are social insects belonging to the family Formicidae. They are commonly found in various regions across South America, including Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay. This species is particularly intriguing due to its unique biology, fascinating behaviors, and significant ecological impact. Understanding the Argentine sugar ant's characteristics and behaviors can offer valuable insights into their role within ecosystems and their interactions with humans. In this video, we will discuss in detail about Argentine sugar ants. So please watch the complete video, and if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Let's start the video. Taxonomy and Identification. The Argentine sugar ant, Camponotus humilior, belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, and family Formicidae. These ants are members of the subfamily Formicinae, which includes several species commonly known as carpenter ants. Argentine sugar ants can be identified by their distinct physical characteristics, which include a reddish-brown to black coloration, a robust body structure, and a size ranging from 4 to 6 mm for workers and up to 12 mm for queens. Social structure. Like most ant species, Argentine sugar ants exhibit a highly organized social structure. Their colonies are composed of several castes, each with specific roles and responsibilities. The primary castes are Queen. The queen is the largest ant in the colony and is responsible for reproduction. She lays eggs that develop into workers and reproductive individuals. Workers. Workers are sterile females that perform various tasks within the colony, including foraging, nest maintenance, brood care, and defense. Soldiers. Some worker ants may develop into soldiers with larger mandibles and a more defensive role, protecting the colony from predators and intruders. Drones. Drones are the male ants in the colony whose sole purpose is to mate with the queen during the nuptial flight. Nesting behavior. Argentine sugar ants typically build their nests in a variety of locations, including soil, under rocks, logs, and within decaying wood. They are known as carpenter ants due to their ability to excavate wood and create galleries for nesting. Argentine sugar ants prefer softer, decaying wood for nesting and do not pose a significant threat to human infrastructure. Foraging patterns. Foraging is a critical aspect of the Argentine sugar ants' behavior, and their ability to efficiently locate and exploit food sources is essential for the survival and growth of the colony. Workers leave the nest in search of food, and they are known for their attraction to sugary substances, such as nectar, honeydew, and sugary fruits. They also scavenge for protein sources, including dead insects and other small invertebrates. Foraging trails are established to streamline the process, and ants leave pheromone trails to communicate with nestmates and guide them to the food source. Communication methods. Ants communicate using a combination of chemical signals, pheromones, tactile interactions, and even acoustic signals. Pheromones play a significant role in conveying information about food sources, nest locations, and colony defense. By depositing pheromones on the ground or on the bodies of other ants, individuals can guide their nestmates to specific locations. Tactile interactions involve antenation, where ants touch each other with their antennae, conveying information about their nestmate's status and colony needs. Reproductive strategies. Reproduction in Argentine sugar ants involves a nuptial flight, during which winged males and females leave the colony to mate. The winged females are potential queens, and once mated, they shed their wings and establish new colonies. The queens take care of the first brood until workers mature, and the colony becomes self-sustaining. In established colonies, the queen continues to lay eggs, and the number of workers and reproductive individuals fluctuates with colony needs. Ecology and role in ecosystems. Argentine sugar ants play essential roles in the ecosystems they inhabit. As scavengers and predators, they help control populations of other insects and participate in nutrient recycling by breaking down organic matter. They also contribute to seed dispersal, aiding in the regeneration of plant populations. Additionally, their nesting activities contribute to soil aeration and the decomposition of dead wood, influencing the structure and health of forest ecosystems. Interaction with humans. The interaction between Argentine sugar ants and humans can be both positive and negative. On the positive side, these ants contribute to ecosystem health, and their foraging behavior can be beneficial in controlling pest populations, reducing the spread of plant diseases, and aiding in pollination. On the negative side, Argentine sugar ants may sometimes become pests in human habitats, particularly when they forage indoors in search of food sources. Their attraction to sugary substances can lead them to invade kitchens, food storage areas, and trash bins. While they are not aggressive towards humans, their presence in homes can be undesirable and require management. Management and control. When Argentine sugar ants become pests in human environments, management and control measures may be necessary. Integrated pest management (IPM) strategies are often used to minimize their impact while preserving the ant's ecological role. IPM includes techniques such as sanitation to remove food sources, sealing entry points to prevent indoor foraging, and baiting with ant baits containing insecticides that are specifically targeted to ants. Conclusion. In conclusion, Argentine sugar ants, Camponotus humilior, are intriguing insects with a complex social structure, fascinating behaviors, and significant ecological roles, and for implementing effective management strategies when needed. As with many other species, a balanced approach to their presence in human habitats is crucial, as they offer benefits in their ecological contributions while requiring management to avoid becoming pests. Continued research and conservation efforts will help us further appreciate and protect these unique ants and the ecosystems they inhabit. I hope so now you will understand Argentine sugar ants. Thanks for watching my content. If you like my content, press the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.